Today I'm going to walk you through a complete tutorial on how to connect Stripe to your WordPress site in 2025. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional payment integration, ready to accept transactions on your website. No stress, no confusion. Even if you've never set up an online payment system before, I promise you'll feel confident handling Stripe on your WordPress site after this tutorial. Let's get started, and I'll explain each step as we go. First up, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. Now look up at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a plus sign. This is your entryway for adding a new block to your page or post. Go ahead and click that plus sign. Think of it as opening a toolbox. You're unlocking all the different tools WordPress gives you to build your site. From here, you want to search for and select the payment block. This is a special block that WordPress designed to make payment integration as straightforward as possible, and it supports Stripe right out of the box. When you add the payment block, you'll see an option to connect your Stripe account. If you haven't set up Stripe on this WordPress site before, clicking to connect will take you directly to Stripe's secure authentication window. This is where you'll need to input your Stripe login details. Now take your time here and enter the email and password associated with your Stripe account. If you're brand new to Stripe, you'll see the option to set up a free account. Just follow the prompts. Remember, as with any secure financial account, never share your Stripe login with anyone you don't trust. Next up, for your security, and honestly to protect your customers too, you'll need to set up two-step authentication with Stripe. This is pretty standard these days, but if you haven't done it before, don't worry. Two-step authentication means that even if someone did get your password, they'd need a second form of verification, usually a code sent to your phone to get in. Stripe will prompt you to scan a QR code with an Authenticator app on your smartphone. Apps like Google Authenticator or Authy work great here. Just open your preferred Authenticator app, scan the QR code that appears on your Stripe setup screen, and voila, you'll get a one-time code. Go ahead and add that code back into Stripe when prompted. It's okay if it takes you a moment to find your phone or download an app. This step only has to be done once, and it's absolutely worth it for the extra security it provides. Once your code is verified, Stripe will confirm that your authentication is set up, and you'll be redirected back to WordPress. If at any point here you run into trouble, don't panic. A quick refresh or retry usually does the trick. And that's really all there is to it. At this point, your Stripe account is successfully linked to your WordPress payment block. You're now ready to accept payments directly on your website, and all those transactions will show up neatly in your Stripe dashboard. Adding this integration isn't just about convenience. It boosts trust with your visitors, makes checkout seamless, and helps your business grow. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Drop any questions you have in the comments. I read every single one and am happy to help. And if you want more straightforward WordPress and online business tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day building your website.